Good morning children. Today we are going to learn refraction of light at plane surface. Before we start the topic, we will learn some basic points which is important or which is related to our topic. First is, what is light? Light is a form of energy. Without light we are unable to see the object clearly. So light is an important phenomena in our life, and it is an electromagnetic waves. Electromagnetic waves means the waves which are generated by the source, like rays are generating from the source, that is called electromagnetic waves. Now light always travels in a straight path, so it is called a ray of light. A ray of light, a group of rays of light is called beam of light. A group of rays of light is called a beam of light. Now the second thing is that what is luminous objects and non-luminous objects, like sun, bulb, candle, torch, etc. Such objects are called luminous. Luminous means the objects which generate their own light are called luminous objects. They have their own energy. They will not get from any other source. That's why they are called luminous objects. Now second thing is that non-luminous objects, the objects which cannot generate their own light, are called non-luminous objects, like table, chair. They don't create their own energy. Mirror, human being, moon, and all such objects are called non-luminous objects. Now the thing is that if they all are non-luminous objects, how we are able to see these objects? Because of reflection of light. We are able to see such objects due to reflection of light. Now what is reflection of light? Change in direction of light is called reflection of light. Suppose this is one surface. Light is coming from the source, striking the object and moving it, changing its direction. That is called reflection of light. Are you getting my point, children? So how we are able to see ourselves in the mirror? Before we start, I will tell you one important point about the reflection of light. Suppose this is the surface of the objects or surface of the mirror, you can say. The light is coming from the source. That light is called incidence ray. It strikes the surface and changes direction. That ray is called as reflected ray. And where both rays are intersecting or meeting, that is called point of incident. From this point, through this point, if we draw a perpendicular line to the surface of the object, that line is called normal. This normal and incident ray make an angle. Are you seeing here, children? They are making one angle, that is called angle of incident. Similarly, the normal and reflected ray is making an angle, that is called angle of reflection. Always remember, children, angle of incident is equal to angle of reflection. I means angle of incident, R means angle of reflection. Both are equal. That is called the law of reflection, which you have learned in your class 8 about reflection chapter. Am I clear, children? Now how we are able to see ourselves in the mirror? The light from the source strike the human body and get reflected from it and strike the mirror. This light further reflected from the surface of the mirror and reaches to our eyes. Then only we are able to see our image in the mirror. Are you getting my point, children? Now the next thing is our point, refraction of light. What is refraction of light? When a light ray is incident on the surface of the object, a part of the light reflected and a part of the light transmitted. What is reflected and what is transmitted? Opaque objects always reflected. Opaque objects means through which light never passes. Like mirror is an opaque object, you can say. Transmitted object, light will pass easily from the transparent objects like glass. That is called non-opaque object. So refraction of light transmitted always from the object. Now that means it passes through the object and get out from the other side of the objects. Are you getting my children? My point, children? Now what is the exact definition of refraction? When light ray travels from one medium to another, its direction changes at the interface. The phenomena of changing direction at the interface of two media is called as refraction of light. See here, this is one medium, this is another medium. It is coming from the source, the rays are coming, touching the surface and coming out from another surface. That is nothing but refraction of light. It happened in always transmitted objects like water you can see. Today's homework is learn and write about the definitions: light, luminous objects, non-luminous objects, refraction of light. Okay children, thank you.